What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, though. Beautiful day outside today. We are heading today to Valencia BMW, though. We're going to go ahead and meet with Will from Will Motivation. You've seen him on my videos before. If you haven't seen that video yet, you soon can see a link up there now. So you can go and check out that video. So about 2 days ago, Will sent out a notification he was going to be in town today. Gave us an address. It says a little secret meetup. Like I said, he gave us an address. That's what I'm heading to right now. Beautiful day outside today, as you can see. Hope the autofocus doesn't mess the shot. But anyways, hope you guys are doing all right. I'm working on another video that I should be out in about maybe a week or so. I have a full-time job, so I really don't have all the time to spend on this YouTube thing, though. But anyways, that video is gonna be like a way better version of that last video I posted. I think it's titled BMW Canyon Drive. It's gonna be way better than that. Don't forget to check out the link in the description so you can head out to Will's channel and his website too. If you want any kind of real estate advice or investment advice and all of that good stuff, he just got another channel started that he gives all that kind of advice and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and post a link on the description of the video so you can go ahead and check it out. So let's keep on driving, see what's gonna happen. What's going on, guys? We finally made it to BMW Valencia, though. Will just got here. I guess it was a delay from the airport or whatever. So finally, I'm a little tired. I've been running around, so we're gonna go to the back and check out the Porsche. So he hasn't seen it yet. He's gonna see it now for the first time. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. So what's up? What do you think?
Hey, I'm speechless, man.
I knew it. I knew it. You won't regret it, man.
Hey,
you won't regret it.
Dude, I'm pleasantly surprised, bro.
Let me tell you something. You can get a pump just by turning it on at home and turn it off. Turn it on, turn it off, and that's it. And you're done, though. So, just got like a cold start or whatever. I don't know how long it's been sitting here. He's pretty excited about it. I had a little feeling he was gonna go for it when he said he was looking for another car, so it looks like he got sold on this one, so we'll see what happens though.
And he's like, what color is it underneath? And I know it's white because I looked at the spec sheet. Oh, yeah, you did? Oh, okay. It's white. Oh, dang. Oh,
that exhaust is not. I ship it here early as possible. Right?
So what's up now?
Man, I know you guys probably didn't hear it because I didn't want to do anything crazy pulling out.
Yeah.
But the sound is unbelievable. The sound is the best. It sounds better than any car I've ever had. It's sick.
When I posted a comment on your video, I was confident that if you get into a 911, that would have been the car you was gonna get.
Yeah, that thing is.
I posted that comment and I like, this is gonna be it. If he gets a 911, he won't regret it.
Oh yeah, this thing, they're special. Let me go get my money.
So there you have it. Beautiful car. Has a couple. I haven't asked him about all the specs on it because I don't think it's obviously because the sound tells you it's not stock. The exhaust is probably some aftermarket stuff, but there you have it. That's a new whip. Now he's the owner of this beauty right here. I was hanging out with this guy's
Korean Barbie.
Hanging out with Paul. We went down to McDonald's to get something to eat. Beautiful car again. Congratulations to that man right there. Pretty excited. So we'll see you on the next video though.